Welcome back, friends. Let's see one more important data view scenario today. Let me share my screen. So the scenario is like this. There is a employees and employees information contains a name, department, and location. So the expected output is like this. We need to have location wise, location, Bangalore, and department. And inside department, in each department, how many employees are there? Just you need employee names. So from this input, we need to generate this output. We don't need the, um, you know, uh, we don't need the information in this manner. Just we need the name in the hierarchical structure. Okay. So let's see how we can do that. First, I'm always when you are generating the data view code script, you need to see what is the expected output and you to write the script according to your expected output. So if I examine my expected output, there is a first field called location, right? So there is nothing locations killed inside. Just we need to have location Bangalore. But what we can do is if you see the output is an map, JSON array, right? Therefore, I'm opening an empty braces as an output, right? Inside this map, this JSON object, the first field is location. So I am typing the location, and value for location I will give. Instead of this, what I do is I will location payload.employees group by, and I group all these employees based on the location. Okay. Item dot location. Sorry, not department, it's location. If you see this, we achieved something. Location Bangalore. The location and Bangalore. We are shaping the output. Now, the next is we need to have department and IT, right? The third is a department. Department is kind of the hard code structure is there. Now, for this, what I want to do is I want to do map object, and inside this map object, I am the department is there actually in the key, right? So key colon, I'm opening a braces. See, if you open like that, location department and each department, sorry, location Bangalore, right? Location Bangalore. I got each location now, each location like this. Okay, the three locations, Bangalore, Chennai, and Delhi. Now, what I'm doing is over here, I'm opening a department, and I need to iterate over value, right? Value group by. Whenever you are doing the data view code, always make sure that you have unique names. Here I item, what I'm doing is I'm renaming as item 1 and index 1, right? And here item 1 dot department. So now location Bangalore department IT. Location Bangalore department IT. Only the thing is inside this IT, I have all this information again. Name, department, location. I need only the names. Only names, right? So what that to pluck the information from the object. The appropriate operator is the pluck operator, right? Pluck. Here what I'm doing again, the names are there already, key value are there. Therefore, I'm renaming this as a value 1, as a key 1, and the index already 1 is there. I'm index 2. Index 2. Now, what I'm doing is uh, for the innermost thing, focus on this stuff, innermost thing. This is the key and rest of value, right? So that department is in the key one. Key one, colon, value one. I got entire thing. I don't want, I want only the names. Value one dot name. Now see, location Bangalore, department IT, and the employees of the IT, and HR employees of the HR, right? So it fits actually according to your output, right? So this is where you need to define your database script for this transformation. This little bit complex transformation. Usually, this kind of transformations also we come across in our day-to-day life. Thank you so much.